Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. Today our question is write a Python program to find the index of largest prime number in a list. Okay, so let's start the question. First, we will take variable list1 and I will take the input. Uh, I am taking all elements as an integer, so I have to take list map int comma input and I will separate all elements by a space. Okay, and inside this input I will write enter list here. Okay, and in next line, first I will make another list and I will append all the prime numbers in that list. Okay, and in that list I will find the maximum number, so we will get the largest prime number in that list. Okay, understand? First I will make a empty list and I will append all the prime numbers from list 1 into the list 2. And now in list 2 all the numbers are prime. Okay, and in list 2 I will find the maximum number, which is maximum. Okay, then that will be the largest prime number. Okay, in the list 1, and after that I will find the index. How to find the index? List 1 dot index of bracket parenthesis that element. Okay, so I will make a list 2 equal to empty list, and now I will take a for loop for I in list 1. Okay, and here I will take a variable status equal to 0. Okay, and I will take another for loop to check this I is prime or not. For j in range, to check a prime number we take the initial value of j is 2 and the final value of j is that value upon 2, because maximum number which can divide that number is that half. Like you take 20, then 10 is the maximum number which can divide 20. Okay, and I am taking the initial value of 2. Initial value of j is 2 because if you take 1, then that j will divide every value. Okay, that's why I am taking j initial value 2, and here I will take I divide by 2 plus 1. And in inside this for loop I will write a condition if I modulus j is equal to 0, means I is divided by j. Okay, then I will update its status to 1. Okay, and outside this for loop I will write a condition if status is equal to 0, means that number will be prime number because status is not updated. Okay, means this value is not true for that value. Okay, this statement is not true for that value, so we will append that element into list 2 because that element is prime number. Okay, so I will append that element list 2 dot append bracket I. Okay, now we get list 2 where all the elements are prime number. Okay, and now I will take for loop for list 2 and find the max number. Okay, for I in list 2 colon, and here I will take a variable max which is equal to the element at 0th index of list 2. Okay, and I will compare that element with all the element. I will write a condition here if max is less than list 2 0 index, sorry I index, so then I will update max to list 2 I. Okay, and now you get the largest element of list 1, which is prime, and now you are going to find the index of that number. How to find the index? Index equal to that list uh, for which is it we are for which list we are going to find the index for list 1. Okay, So list 1 dot index bracket that element max. Okay, so I will print here, print the largest prime number. Okay, prime number in the list is what? Max, comma max. Okay, and it is at index I and dx. Okay, so let's run the code. Sorry, this is wrong. You cannot take I in this bracket, because I take I in list 2, not I in range length list 2. It is I in list 2. Sorry, it is wrong. Enter 32897. Okay, I write here print list 2. That's why this list is printing. Okay, the largest prime number is 97, and it is at index 0 1 2 3 4, at index 4. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.